Alright, so here we have a bunch of parts that will be going on the car hopefully this month, along with a few other things that aren't in yet. So this video is just going to be opening these up, see what we have, take a look at the car and what else is to come. First we have these Skunk 2 valves. Got the S2 mark on it. Not much fancy about these. Here we have the innovative mounts, engine mounts. These are all 385. Just one mount. Second mount. And the third mount. So here are 3 engine mounts that will be replaced once I get the motor out. Next we have these Wiseco Pistons. These are 87.5 mil for 10.3 compression. Just have the part number. And in this little box would be the piston rings. Here we have the CP rods. Nice packed. Yeah, unpack this one. Alright, here's the rod. It's greased, so I'm not going to open it up. It has the engravement on it. These ones, I believe, are a bit lighter than OEM, so should be a little better. The 2 grams items are both gauges, PSI gauge and wideband air fuel. Here we have the StopTech big brake kit. Here's the 2-piece rotor. And under that rotor we have the left side caliper. And view from the side. So now we're just gonna have a look at the car and a few things I have laying around. So one thing is going to be the wide body front fenders. I also picked up a timing cover. I removed the coilovers earlier today. I'm going to be getting my new ones in soon, Buddy Club RaceSpec. And these BCs will be going to another friend. The front RPF ones aren't in yet, but they will be 18 by 10.5 plus 15. And tire size, not sure about yet, so these will be replaced. Engine's coming out this month, just so we can get all the machine work done. And the supercharger might be sold along with the aftercooler. That's about it.